lamp is finally dry, and you guys, I'm so in love with this. Focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? We're gonna be doing this DIY lashes. Without wasting any further of your time, and let's jump right into the video. See you on the flip side. Hi guys, so as per the title, we're doing my lashes. First things first, you are gonna need a lash curler. You're also gonna need a picker, and of course your glue. And last but not the least, obviously you're gonna need eyelashes. And I'm gonna be using this 8mm and 6mm. These lashes were actually left over from me putting the lashes at a time, and this is not necessary, but I'm just gonna put on my eye patches just to help them moisturize as we're doing this. What better way of killing two birds with one stone. So this is what we're looking like right now. I'm gonna put this away, and I'm gonna start up with just curling my lashes. And I'm gonna go in with my spoolie. I forgot to tell you guys about the spoolie, so you definitely are gonna need a spoolie, and just brush the eyelashes in an upward motion. Okay, so our lashes are nicely brushed up and all that, and I'm gonna get the glue, since it's not the one with the brush, and just place it on the surface that I have. So not a lot of it, just like enough. And I'm gonna start with the 6mm. Yeah, so I'm starting with the 6mm, and I'm gonna use this to help me pick up the lashes, and I'm going to be placing them under my eyes. So I've got this mirror right here just to help me look and place them in the correct way. Yeah. Yeah, so there's my, I don't know if the camera is able to get this, but there's my lash, and I'm gonna place the tip of it into the glue, then let this kind of dry for like a few seconds, then place it under my eyes. Okay, so this is what we've done so far. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm literally just placing them under my lash band, not so on the waterline, but slightly above the waterline, so we don't get any irritation. So I'm grabbing them like this, yeah, just as is, and then just placing that into the glue, and using this mirror right here as a guide. You just have to kind of like press it a bit. And curl them up, and this is what we're looking like. And go ahead and just grab. This is what we're looking like. So far so good. We're just going to continue. Okay, so this is where I've reached. I've kind of like put 12 of the 6 millimeters, and I'm gonna go ahead and just fill up a few of these. I don't know, maybe about 8 or so, but I'll count as we go. I want to give it that uplifted eye, so I'm not going to put all the way up until my tear duct or up until where my eyelashes really end on this end, because I want to give it the effect of a cat eye. Yeah, so we're going to go in now with the 8 millimeter, which is slightly longer than the 6, and just end somewhere there in between, just to give it that lifted eye cut look. And yeah, I'll let you know how many I've put after I've counted, but I'm thinking roughly about 6 or 8. So I'm going in with the 8 millimeter. Okay, I've just lost that lash. I lost it as I was putting, but let's grab another one. I'm blowing it so that it's a bit sticky and it'll hold better. Okay, that's like the second one with the 8 millimeter. Mm, almost there. This is what we are looking like. Yeah, I've done 10 of the 8 millimeter and I did 12 of the 6 millimeter, and this, guys, is what we're looking like. I'm gonna end here and just do the other side, and I'll be back with the whole full, look, so you can actually see how it looked like. That otherwise, this side, it's giving. Definitely giving. This is actually the finished look. We definitely loving it. And yeah, I don't know what you guys think. They're so comfortable, they're not heavy, they're not irritable to my eyes, and I really do love them. Lightweight in my mass art. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you're not yet subscribed, do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you actually become a part of this family. You definitely love it here. It's all a love, honey. Until the next turn, it's Coolio's for me. Bye bye. What is waiting half a step beyond our door?